Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to hide apps without using any third-party application. We hide these apps in Dialer, which is quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to video. Click on settings, scroll down, click on security. Now scroll down again. You have an option of app encryption. Click here. We are here in app lock. Now all the apps are here. Select the apps which you want to hide. I select another. We select the apps and enable passcode here. When we will go to these apps, we have to put our mobile phone password here. Now click on already logged app and hide home screen icon. I go to all the apps and I have hide home screen icon from here. All the apps has been hide. Now you can see all those apps which I have hide are not showing in screen. Now go to apps log and click on this setting. Change access number, click here. Here add your number which you will put while opening these apps. This number should start and end with hash. Let's dial hash 5588 hash. Now click on done. Please remember that your access number. Apps are hidden now, but a question here, where we will find these applications? It's very quick and easy. You have to go to dialer, dial your secret code. Hidden apps are here. You can see, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching full video.